you want to call it. Although circuit boards are made of plastic. A rubbery sort of fucking board. A 5 of clubs would be nice, wouldn't it? Not too bad. What do you do, Mr. Pillowed Keys? Pot size. Call. What's the odds on hitting my straight? I don't know. I know flush is 4 to 1. I'm getting good odds, aren't I? No, good enough. If I hit my 5, I'll take their money. Didn't hit nothing. That's okay though. Why weak? I don't know this guy yet. Go on, yeah, you call too. Odd, give me odds. Come on, call. Ah, you lost me some odds. Fuck it. Get in. Now the question is, does he have a flush draw? I can't really risk it because he might. That's what he'd call with. But if I put a bet in, even he might have a flush draw. Maybe he's fucking representing one. If he has a flush, he's going to bet. I don't know if he has a flush. That guy might have a flush. Or he might be representing... Ah, fuck him. Fuck him. I don't know. Let's see. Well, pair of idiots. Just... Like I said, you can't represent a flush. You can't represent nothing. This guy, what the fuck's he doing? 2 pair. What the fuck you think people are calling with? Fuck it. He's probably on tilt though. I've wasted my 15. See? Tilty bastard. I just thought of that as I pressed it. It's probably on tilt. All in. I might be winning. Beating his 4 high. Fuck it. Won't waste my chips. Now that's poor call. The flush comes. He's putting in horrible little bets with his 2 pair. Letting people draw cheap for their flush. And then when the final flush card comes, and that guy, the re-raise, although his re-raise didn't look too good. Yeah, why not? But he might still be on tilt. I just thought of it again. Nah, he's not good. Yeah. The way it played, what the fuck, 10s and 10s and... How did he hit his 10? Was it on the river? Get off. That looked horrible, really. These two betting like that and neither of them have a flush. Or a straight. Both of them have shit. Well, they have 2 pair and a set. A load of garbage. If I did hit my straight, I'd have taken both of them. 2 pair and a set. When there's a flush. Possible flush. And the way it played, I'd have probably played it the same. If I had hit a flush, I'd have checked it. Maybe. I probably would have. I don't see myself betting. Even if I did bet, these two would probably be raise, re-raise, all in, call. Yeah. Wouldn't have made a difference. Get away, Vista. Yeah, this level, $1. You can't really make plays like that. I was planning to represent a flush, but if they're not going to fold their 2 pair or their set, it's not really good. I like this guy. His bet with his 2 pair, that's okay. But this guy, re-raise with his 10s. And then this guy goes all in. I don't know how much left it was for him to call, but he went raise, re-raise, all in. Wouldn't that say to him flush? But the way this guy was playing, even the way he was playing, that's how I'd play a flush. I'd put little bets in to just help me catch my cards and just semi-bluff. I don't know. All I think they were thinking, I have 2 pair. I have a set. Fuck what he has. Fuck what he has. I got 2 pair. I have a set. Fuck whatever they have. I'm not folding my set to their flush or whatever the fuck they have. I don't give a shit. I got my set. What do I give a fuck? I think that's their logic. They're not thinking he might have a flush. They're thinking, I got a set. Fuck their flush. Their flush won't beat my set because I have a set. I wouldn't fold my set. Even if there's millions and millions of clubs, I have a jack, bet. If they have a jack, they'll call me or just fold. Yeah, that's why I put the little bet in. Anyway, Mr. Pillow Keyboard has left, so he can go have a sleep now. Bull. We've learned something about him. If I catch a good hand on him, I've got all his money, all his chips. If he won't fold a set when there's a possible flush. That re-raise was horrible. Maybe he was representing a flush. Everyone call. I want to play. I want to play. Call. Call. Woohoo! Another nice flop for me. I'm hitting them real good today. Have I even hit one? I think I did get my straight draw, that's one. Didn't get straight, so that's two. Fucking check the crap. That looks weak. What are you doing? 10 plus, so 60. Bet 60. That's a horrible bet. Does he have a 2? Let me see. Ooh. So he had nothing. That's nice to know. Let's just remember how he played that. He called for a flush. I could have put another bet on the end, but the reason I didn't bet was I wanted to see his cards. That's one reason I didn't bet. I probably would have won it if I bet, but I didn't know that. I didn't really think why he'd call. I didn't put him on ace-king. I've learned something about him. Would have been nice if a club came with my queen high. I wouldn't have gone all in with the queen high. I might have just called, unless he played it real strong. Then maybe I wouldn't have played. I wouldn't have lost it, although maybe I would have lost half of what I have. I wasn't playing for a queen though. What was I doing? I know I just put the bet in hoping he'd fuck off. Didn't work. At the end I just checked to see. I don't know, what did I check for? See his cards was one thing that went in my head, but other than that, just to see his cards. I thought I might be winning, but nah, I didn't think that. I didn't think I might be winning, I just thought, see his cards. So that's it. Other than that, nothing else. Maybe I checked too quickly. I should have waited a little longer to think about what he had done. And looked at the board. I'll check. I'll put a pot in. He called. What do you call for? A spade. I'll check, see what he does. What's he doing there? 1, 2, 3, 75, 90. Maybe he's hit a flush, maybe he's hit a straight. Let's have a look. That was a good hand for me to represent. If he didn't hit any of it, he's not going to call with his queen. If he did have a queen. Could have had nothing. Yeah, I think I made a better play there because I got to... Not really to see another card, just if I had re-raised him, he would have probably called, and then what? Yeah, I think just calling was better. Let's play it strong. 100. There's also a flush draw on there. What are you calling with, Bull? Well, he's a wanker. He's probably got something. Bet it's stronger. 4. Pay for your flush, boy. Oh, no. Okay. Well, I hit my set. Hooray. How much? 125. Blinds are that. So 150. That was a horrible raise by me. Should have been 200. I got it wrong. I thought it was just adding up to 50, and I added